पतवार के बिना ही मेरी नाव चल रही है। पतवार के बिना ही मेरी नाव चल रही है। हैरान है ज़माना, मंजिल भी मिल रही है। करता नहीं मैं कुछ भी, करता नहीं मैं कुछ भी, सब काम हो रहा है मेरा आपकी कृपा से। सब काम हो रहा है मेरा आपकी दया से। सब काम हो रहा है। करते हो तुम कन्हैया मेरा नाम हो रहा है। करते हो तुम कन्हैया मेरा नाम हो। मेरा आपकी कृपा से सब काम हो रहा है मेरा आपकी दया से। सब काम हो रहा है। तुम साथ हो जो मेरे, किस चीज की कमी है। तुम साथ हो जो मेरे, किस चीज की कमी है। किसी और चीज की अब दरकार ही नहीं है। किसी और चीज की अब दरकार ही नहीं है। तेरे साथ से गुलाम अब करते हो तुम कन्हैया मेरा नाम हो रहा है। करते हो तुम कन्हैया मेरा नाम हो रहा है।
और युद्ध का साम्राज्य था।
Dedication and commitment. We welcome you, sir.
सर्वप्रथम माँ सरस्वती के आंगन में उपस्थित सभी शिक्षकों का, गुरुजी का, चेयरमैन सर, सेक्रेटरी सर, आज के हमारे मुख्य अतिथि सर और सभी अध्यापक अध्यापिकाओं एवं प्रिय छात्रों का मैं हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूँ। सभी को मेरा प्रणाम। It's given me immense pleasure and pride to present the annual progress report of Srimati Vidyavati College of Nursing. Our institution has always believed in the quality of nursing education. Strong human values and the professional commitment are the true pillar of the success. Since its inspection, the college has constantly strived to uphold the excellency in the academics, skills, ethics, and the compassionate the cares, truly reflecting our mottos, be the best. The institution has started its GNM program in the year of 2008 and marking the beginning of our academic journey in the Jhansi. The ANM program was introduced in the 2010 and extending the opportunities for the community-based nursing education and nursing care for the continuous. The BSc nursing programs are commenced in the 2020, strengthening our role in the preparing the professional competent nurses. It is matter with great pride to share that our institution is also continue to progress and in keeping with our commitment to the higher learning and the advanced professional growth, the MSc nursing programs will be commenced from the academic session 2026 onward. From the very beginning, our college has focused on the quality of nursing education, development of the clinical competency in their students, and integration of the human values with the professional ethics. We are proud to report the excellent academic performance, disciplined learning environments, and progressive growth of the student outcomes. The support, holistic learning, and the professional development the college has undertaken with the several initiatives. Guest lectures and expert talks are organized regularly to enhance the academic and the clinical specialty of the students and their increase the learning professions. A well-equipped library with the textbooks, reference materials, international journals, and e-resources to support the evidence study and the research of the institutions. We are also extending the postings in the reputed hospitals of the Jhansi, Gwalior, and nearby health community centers to develop the strong clinical skills and the confidence of our students. We have a well-equipped laboratories for the nursing procedures, maternal health, community health, and simulation practice to enhance the hands-on training for our students, workshops, seminars, continuing education programs for strengthening the professional readiness for the students. College is also focused on the overall development of the students. In view of that, we have organizing the sports, cultural, and the extracurricular activities for their all-round developments. These efforts collectively contributing to the academic excellency and the personality development of our students. On behalf of the college family, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Secretary Sir, and Treasurer Sir for their continuous guidance, encouragement, and unwavering support for achieving the high educational standards at our institutions. We are also proud and record our sincere approach to our dedicated teaching faculties for their tireless efforts, mentorship, and the commitment for the excellence. Non-teaching staff for their cooperations and administrative support throughout the sessions. Our students who are remain the pride and strength of these institutions, parents and guardians for their trust, their cooperations, and continuous support. As we move forward, Srimati Vidyavati College of Nursing is remain committed for the enhancing the academic innovations, strengthening the clinical competencies, then promote the research culture in the college, building the ethical, compassionate, and the skilled nursing professional for the country. With collective efforts and the determination, we shall continue to uphold our vision to be the best in nursing education, serve the humanity. With the pride in our achievements and hope a brighter future for our students, I present this annual progress report before you all. Thank you very much once again, and best wishes to everyone who are associated with the Srimati Vidyavati Educational Trust